Lovely people out there. So today we'll be talking about 2020 Oscar Best Film nominees, which you can watch now on various OTT platforms in India. I'll be giving short reviews as well so that you can make your mind about watching them. So this year, two of the nominated movies, The Irishman and Marriage Story, were released directly on Netflix. The Irishman is a Martin Scorsese marvel. It is a compelling story showcasing journey of a hitman working for Jimmy Hoffa. This gangster movie isn't like the rest. It shows the sad reality and conclusion of living this life. I really loved the way the movie handles the complicated father-daughter relationship. Peggy Sheeran's long stare communicated more than any dialogue would have. It's a 3.5 hour long movie, but the longer runtime is justified if you have a taste for underworld stories. Noah Baumbach's Marriage Story was released on Netflix on December 6th. This movie focuses on the challenges faced by a married couple going through divorce and how everything around them changes as they walk down this road. Interestingly, the movie never shows any character in a bad light. As an audience, you feel empathy for both the main characters and understand that no one but the situation is to be blamed. There are few scenes that are so honestly shot and directed that you tend to forget that it's just a film. I loved this movie and I loved Adam Driver even more.
Start from a place of reasonable, and they start from a place of crazy. When we settle, we'll be somewhere between reasonable and crazy.
Best described in the words of Wendy Iles, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood is director's love letter to the 60s Hollywood, which disturbs and dazzles in equal measures. Perfectly casted actors have put their best foot forward in this Quentin Tarantino film. As if the epic bromance between Brad Pitt and Leonardo was not enough, Al Pacino is also here to surprise you. And Margot Robbie is a delight to watch. The most important thing, if you are not aware of the Tate LaBiana murders which happened in 1969, please go learn about it before watching the movie. Because the story is woven around this one important incident. Believe me, the way the director has treated this particular incident will surprise you.
Somebody order fried sauerkraut! Damn you Nazi bastards!
Director Bong Joon-ho's Parasite is a riveting tale of how the life of two families from different strata of society cross their path. This thought-provoking South Korean story grips you as it transforms from a light-hearted comedy to a different movie altogether. Anything I say more is going to be a spoiler, so go watch this movie if you haven't already. It's available on Prime Video. Joker is a sensational origin story of this DC villain which hits you just at the right spot. Joaquin Phoenix is hard. His performance stands out even when he shares the screen with legendary Robert De Niro. You can watch this movie on Prime Video. Now, some of you may have refrained themselves from watching it just because you don't have much interest in superhero movies. Let me assure you that not only this movie doesn't fall under the norms of a typical superhero genre, you also don't need any backstory before watching this movie. All you need to know is that Bruce Wayne is Batman and Joker is his nemesis. It's a must-watch for every cinephile.
Is this a joke to you?
Greta Gerwig's Lady Bird. Greta Gerwig's Little Women is a refreshing take on Louisa May Alcott's novel with great emphasis on women's aspiration, ambition and choices. Set in the 1800s, every screen on the film is very time accurate, be it the costumes or the set. The story of four sisters is a messy affair, beautifully held together. You can't deny the feel-good factor you get to experience throughout the movie. The stellar cast consisting of Saoirse Ronan, Florence Pugh, Emma Watson, Laura Dern, Meryl Streep gives you one more reason to watch the movie. Timothée Chalamet was a charming presence on screen, even though he played this messy, complicated character of Laurie. The movie is available on Prime Video.
It's short and spicy. And if the main character is a girl, make sure she's married by the end.
Writer-director Waititi's Jojo Rabbit is a satirical tale that circles around Nazi Germany, Second World War. Vibrant frames, excellent cinematography, great direction, incredible dialogues, flawless acting, and this little charmer. This movie is everything a film needs to be an Oscar Best Film nominee. Personally, it's my favorite of all. The innocence of this little boy as he tries to become a good Nazi is so honestly portrayed, you'll surely end up loving it. It's a must-watch and it is available on Disney Plus Hotstar.
Did you know Jews can read each other's minds?
But how would you know if you saw one? They could look just like us.
Ford vs. Ferrari is yet another classic underdog story based on the true incident of mid-1960s when Henry Ford took out his revenge on racetracks by hiring Carroll Shelby to beat Ferrari at the most prestigious international race. Other than Carroll Shelby's unique character, the highlight of the film were the motorcar racing. You get an insight of how dangerous the sport was back in the days. The scene which stands out for me in the movie was this brief moment which gives so much depth to an otherwise individualistic character. This movie can be watched on Disney Plus Hotstar.
Behind the wheel of your car. That's Ken Miles.
I don't trust him an inch.
We heard he's difficult. No, Ken's a puppy dog.
1917 is a cinematic brilliance and visual treat which became recently available for Indian audiences on Sony Live. Basically, it's just another tale showcasing the horrors of World War. Yet, the way it is shot, directed and edited, it's what makes all the difference. I mean, world cinema कहाँ पहुँच गया है और हम अभी भी उड़ती हुई कार्स देख के खुश होते हैं. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that, but anyways. That was the list, guys. So you can binge watch all these movies if you're wondering what to do this weekend. In my opinion, it will be a great way to spend your weekend. If you liked any of the information I have given here, please support my channel. Stay tuned for more such videos.